Brilliant quick kitchen tricks. Game-changing cooking shortcuts.
Look at this. And then you just...
Underrated kitchen hacks you need.
Мне за эту разработку такую премию дадут. О, мы с тобой поедем. Вот.
Simple tricks that save cooking time.
Another deli container lid and flip it upside down on top of your tomatoes. And you can slice your knife right through and cut all your tomatoes at once.
Easy kitchen hacks for daily use.
Guys, I found the coolest. Oh, look at that. It's literally books. Books. Knife.
Great oil removal effect. Awesome household cooking tips. Little known kitchen time savers.